All right. So yeah, so this is the Mockoon dashboard look like, where you can see routes, data, header, logs, proxy, and settings. In route section, you can see multiple mock APIs are there, and inside that you can add multiple mocks. Whatever API you wanted to mock, you can add it here. From this you can add, and then this left side you can see this is the environment. So you can create per environment mocks, and once you do that, you can see the data. Here the data is kind of adding data which will be common, and maybe you can utilize with multiple API response. And this is the static data, and then this is the dynamic data which will dynamically will be generated. In header, it's kind of global header, and logs, which logs all incoming and outgoing request. It will be logged in the mock server, so that you can utilize for the debugging purpose. And the proxy, you can, if the route is not matched in the mock API, the actual call will happen to target URL. So this will help once your external API is now up and running. So in that case, you can utilize this by enabling proxy mode. In setting, you can see this is working on local host locally, and then the port is 3000. So that will be running. And here you can see TLS operation also it's supporting. So if you wanted to communicate with the HTTP request kind of mocking, so that you can also provide certificates and all those things. One more beneficial feature is import Swagger or Open API, so that once you have some YAML file which you wanted to mock the APIs, so that you just import those JSON files, and then it will create automatically all the API mocks which are available in the Swagger. So yeah, let's run it now. I need to run it, so I will be clicking on this. The server will be started, and when I click on this, you can see here, so this will give you the mock API response. This is I have added in the Visual Studio as well, so that it is easy to see that response. So you can see this, the list of users. So when you send, it will be this response is getting from the mock server. And also I have mocked this by far one, so if I click on it, you can see the one response for the particular single user you are getting. When you can see, this is the proxy API call. Here I have not mocked this API. So if you try to run it, this call go to the actual API, and then this will be response from the actual API or external API, you can say. So that's all from mine. Thank you.